Hey team, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at inverse proportionality. So two variables are inversely proportional if multiplying one by some number causes the other to be divided by the same number. So we have y is directly proportional to 1 over x, or y is equal to k over x. So multiplying here by x will be dividing the y. And how to check is we have this condition, so the x coordinate times by the y coordinate will equal the same k for each point. All right, so we're going to look at a bit of an example here and just straight away jump into it. So looking at a job site, it takes 120 minutes for Jim to complete a task. If someone helps, it only takes 60 minutes, and so on. So we've got a table of values here. So number of workers is our x and time is in y minutes. So 1 worker, 2 workers, 3 workers, 4 workers, 5 workers, 120 minutes, 60, 40, 20, 30 and 24. So we need to find if y is directly proportional to 1 over x or y is proportional to x. And then we're going to graph the points and have a look at the shape. So if we are looking at proving whether two variables are inversely proportional, we need to satisfy the condition x times by y is equal to some k. So what we need to do is check every single point. So for x equals 1, y equals 120, that is equal to 120. For x equals 2, y is equal to 60, that is also equal to 120. 3, 40 is 120. This is part A. 4, 30 is 120, and 5 and 24 is also 120. So it satisfies our condition of x times by y equals a number k, where k is 120. So that means y is directly proportional to 120 over x. Okay, so we're going to graph and look at this shape. All right, so let's put in our axes here and across. So we've got from 1 up to 5. So this is x and this is y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll push it a little bit here. 2 and 1. And this is our origin. And we're going all the way up to 120. So I might go up 20, 40, 60, 80, we might go 40, 80, 120, 160, okay? So at x equals 1, y was equal to 120, so we start there. At 2, it was 60. At 3, it was 40. At 4, it was 30. And at 5, it was 24. So let's draw a line connecting all of these points, and we'll see that it's not a linear relationship. It's this little curve here. All right, and this is what our inverse proportionality curves look like. All right, so with that, we know how to graph, we know how to test if some variables are inversely proportional. That should hold you in good stead until next time. We'll see you then.